Am I the only one that didn't know how to fix my Ford Ranger's AC? Let's get cool again. There are a few common reasons why your Ford Ranger's air conditioner isn't working. First up, check the refrigerant levels. If it's low, your AC won't blow cold air. You can top it up yourself or get a pro to do it. Next, take a look at the AC compressor. This little guy is the heart of your AC system. If it's not working, your air won't get cold. Sometimes, a simple fuse replacement can get it going again. Another culprit could be the AC condenser. It's located at the front of your truck, and if it's blocked by dirt or debris, it can't cool the air properly. Give it a good clean and see if that helps. Lastly, don't forget the blower motor. If your AC is on but no air is coming out of the vents, the blower motor might be the issue. It could be as simple as a loose connection or a faulty motor that needs replacing. So, give these tips a try to get your Ford Ranger's AC back in action. Stay cool out there.